All right, here it is. October 6th, 2020. Just went through the Supai Tunnel. It's 8 o'clock. We've been on the trail for about an hour. So we're making about 3 miles an hour. This is about 3 miles down. Not bad, huh? Look at that.
Not bad.
Fuck yeah. There's Aaron again. You're gonna see him a lot. Luckily, most of this commentary is gonna be taken away by music. But that's the shot. All right. I gotta take. Switchback number 30.
It'd be cool if they had little numbers on them.
All right, next time we do it, we bring a bunch of stickers with us. I'm telling you, we could do it.
You know how there's mile markers on the road?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. We do it. You and I we'll do this, and we'll put a sticker on each one of those switchbacks. Like, I don't know about that, Doug. You're a little bit too crazy now. He doesn't even know.
People might enjoy it.
He doesn't even know how crazy we are, does he? All right.